Alright, so you want to go to lumen5.com. On lumen5.com, you can grow your brand with video creation made easy with AI. So we are going to be logging in now. So I've been using lumen5.com for about 3 years now. So I'm going to log in, input my password. So I've been using Lumen5 for about 3 years now. So I started using Lumen5 on my smartphone. Right, so you can see the videos I've created with Lumen5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos. So I've been using Lumen5 to train people on how to create videos with their smartphone. Right, so I believe that since then, for the past 3 years till now, Lumen5 have improved their website. They've also upgraded their website, adding some AI features to it. So in this video, we are going to be creating a video with Lumen5. So I'm going to click on new video, and we are going to be creating these videos together. Right, so this is going to be a fun ride. So just stick with me till the end of the video to see the beautiful video we are going to be creating. Right, so we have the option to choose a template, curated and ready to use colors, fonts and styles. Right, so this is one I recently used. Right, so it's been a while I created a video with this website, but I believe that this website is still of value, can still be of value to you and to your business. You can use your smartphone to create videos using Lumen5, and you can also use your PC too, like I am doing in this video. So we have rectangular templates, we have different templates for different videos, right? So we even have rounded templates. So let's try out this rounded template and see what we can come up with. So I'm going to be clicking on this. So let's preview the template and see what it is all about. So this is the template. So I'll just So I actually love this template. It is very simple and easy to use template. And you can see that this template comes in different formats. It comes in 16:9 format, which is the YouTube dimension for watching our videos. It also comes in 1:1 format, which is the dimension for Instagram, most Instagram videos. And it also comes in the 9:16 format, which is the TikTok version style videos. So we are going to be using these templates now. So I click on use template, and Lumen5 is going to simply load that template for us to use. Right, so you can see we have a lot of options right here. You can see text on media. So we can convert a blog post, a document, or an idea to a video. We can also use a AI voiceover. Right, so we can convert a blog post, a document, or an idea to an AI voiceover video. You can also convert, you can see here, you can convert a blog post, document, or idea to an AI avatar video. So you can see here that Lumen5 uses AI to create their videos. If you are looking for a good site that can create videos for you using AI, Lumen5 is still a good bet. Right, so I've been using them for over 3 years now, and they are still in the game. Right, even upgraded to using AI. So what we are going to be doing now is we are going to be converting a blog post, a document, to a video. So I'll simply click on this. Right, so it says, what will your video be about? Right, so I don't want to go through that long process. I just simply paste my text. So I paste my text on what I want my video to be about. So it says here that this content will be used for your video script. So you simply add your script here, and Lumen5 is going to do the whole work. You don't have to do anything. I have my script here. So this is my script. I generated my script from ChatGPT. My script here says 5 important reasons for content creation. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be copying this script, copy the script, and go back to Lumen5 and simply paste the script right here. Right, so this is my script, and I can also upload images. So these images will be included in your video and can also be found in your uploads. Right, so I don't have any image. Okay, let's see if we can get some images about content creation. So let's go to unsplash.com. So I simply go to unsplash.com to generate images for our videos. Right, so let's go to unsplash.com and do that. So I'm going to just type in content creation. Unsplash.com is going to bring out different images about content creation. So you can see here that we are having a lot of images, clean and beautiful images on the keyword content creation. I will be downloading a couple of them and we'll be using them for our video. So I just simply click on view more on iStock. Right, so Lumen5 is generating me all these images I'll be using for our video Lumen5. So you can see a lot of beautiful images right here. So I'm going to simply save all these images. So there are a lot of beautiful images you can download from Unsplash. You can also download some images on Meta AI. So you can use Meta AI to download some stunning and beautiful images. So I'll be linking you to a video where you can download images using Meta AI. I'll also link you to a video where you can download videos from Deep Dream Generator. So these are AI websites where you can download stunning images for your designs and for whatever you want to use them for. You can also use these videos as social media posts and for designs, video edits and all whatnot. So let's download this last image and we take them to Lumen5 for our video creation 7. So now we'll go back to Lumen5 and upload all of these images. So I don't know if I can bring in multiple images. So let's try bringing in multiple images and see if it is going to work. Alright, so you can see it is actually working. So it is very possible to bring in multiple images on the site. So wait for the images to upload. I will move to the next step. So we've been able to upload all of our images. So you can see that it's very possible to upload multiple images all at once. So after bringing in your images and script, so you just simply click skip and use all content as is. So you can see here that you even have the option to compose a script for your video. So we do that and Lumen5 has been able to section all of these scripts. Lumen5 has been able to organize all of these scripts in a format it will be able to understand and in a format that Lumen5 is going to be able to generate our videos for us. So we are going to simply click here, convert this script to video. So I click on convert to video and we're going to give it some time to generate our video. Wow. So you can see our video has been created with Lumen5. So this is a very beautiful output, I must say. This is a very beautiful output. So you can see that some of the slides are still loading. So you can see 7 of the slides have already been created. So you can see our first slide, it says content creation is viral for many individuals and businesses, offering a range of benefits that can drive engagement, brand awareness and growth. So you can see here are 5 important reasons for content creation. Number 1 is brand awareness. Right, so content allows businesses, individuals to showcase their expertise, values and unique offerings. Consistently producing valuable content helps audience recognize and remember the brand, fostering familiarity and trust. 2, establishing authority and thought leadership. So you can see here that Lumen5 has been able to combine text and images and give us a beautiful output. So we are not done yet. We are simply going to be publishing this video so we can see the full output. So what we are going to do now is we are simply going to be publishing this video and see the final output. So I just simply click on preview so we can see the final output of the video. Alright guys, so this is a preview video. So what I want to do now is I want to download the video. So I copy the preview link of the video and I paste it somewhere. I paste it here. Right, so I paste the link so that I'll be able to download the video. So the video loads and we are given the option to download the video right there. So you can see this is the video. So what I simply want to do now is I want to download the video. So I click on download. So that is how you create videos using Lumen5.com. If you got value from this video, feel free to like this video. Feel free to also share this video with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. Peace.